Hello and welcome. I'm Emma, and this is Real Talk English.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tom. I'm happy to be here.
Today, we have a very useful lesson for you. We are going to learn how to order food at a restaurant. This is real English for your daily life.
Yes, I always feel a little nervous when I order. What if I make a mistake?
Don't worry, Tom. We will practice slowly. We will use simple, clear English. You will feel confident at the end of this video. Let's start. First, some important words. We need the menu. The menu shows the food.
Okay, menu. I see the pictures of the food.
Good. And the person who helps you is the waiter, man, or waitress, woman. Together, we can say server.
Got it. Menu and server. Simple.
When you are ready, how do you get the server's attention? You say, "Excuse me."
Let me try. Excuse me. Is that polite?
Yes, Tom, that is very polite and common. It's perfect. Now, you need the menu. Use this phrase. Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? Why do we say, can I have?
It's a polite and easy way to ask for something. Say it with me. Can I have the menu, please? The server often comes over quickly and asks about drinks. Let's hear the server's line.
Hello, welcome. Can I get you something to drink to start?
Yes, I'll have a glass of orange juice, please.
Good. Or if you only want water, you can ask for that very simply.
Just tap water for me, thank you.
Tap water is free. Excellent, Tom. Remember that to start means first. To order, we can use the simple phrase, I'll have. This means I want.
Practice. I'll have water, please. And I'll have a coffee.
Excellent, Tom. Remember to add please. It makes your English sound friendly.
Sometimes I worry about my pronunciation.
Remember this. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every time you speak, you are learning. Be brave. If the server comes back too fast, you can say, "We need a few more minutes, please."
We need a few more minutes, please. This is good. It's polite but clear.
That's right. It is polite. You don't have to rush. You finished your drinks, and now you're ready to order food. The server returns.
Are you ready to order your main courses now?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken pasta, please.
The chicken pasta. And for you, madam?
I'll show a different phrase. I'll take the fish and chips, please. I'll take is the same as I'll have.
Wonderful. So that's one chicken pasta and one fish and chips. I'll put that order in for you.
It's helpful when the server repeats the order. It helps me check.
A little longer, but very polite. I would like, or you can say I'll have.
I would like. I would like the soup and a salad, please.
Perfect. You speak clearly and politely. This phrase works for everything. Let's try two kinds of special requests. The first is removing something you don't like.
Excuse me, can I have the chicken pasta without the peppers, please?
No peppers. Of course I can do that for you.
The second is about allergies, something you cannot eat. This is very important.
Does the fish and chips have any nuts in it? I have a nut allergy.
Let me check the ingredients for you right now.
Good job, Tom. Using the word allergy is clear and keeps you safe. If you don't know an ingredient, ask, what is in the food item?
Let's see. What is in the special soup today?
Great question. And the server will tell you the ingredients. You are learning to have a real conversation. You finish your drink. How do you ask for more? Can I have another drink, please?
Can I have another glass of water, please? Or another coffee, please?
Perfect. The word another means one more of the same thing. If you wait a long time, you can ask politely, is our food coming soon?
I am hungry. Is our food coming soon?
You sound concerned but polite. That's the key. Now, let's practice asking for the check or bill one more time, using a very polite phrase. Could we please have the check?
Excuse me, could we please have the check?
Certainly. I'll bring that right over. Here is your check. Thank you for eating with us today.
Great. Notice the server said right over. This means very soon.
I like that polite phrasing. It sounds very natural.
You can ask, can I pay with a card? Or do you take credit cards?
Can I pay with a card? Is simple. Good.
Yes, keep it simple. They will understand you. Always finish with a thank you. Thank you very much. You can also say, the food was delicious.
Thank you for the good service.
Perfect. Good manners are always important in English. Remember, practice is the key. You learn by doing. Practice today, succeed tomorrow.
I feel much better now. I am ready to order.
Let's quickly review the 3 most important phrases. 1,
Excuse me.
2,
I'll have the food.
and 3, can I have the check or bill? If you know these 3, you can order. You did a great job today. Now you have the English words for a restaurant.
Thank you, Emma. This was so helpful.
You are welcome, Tom. We want to help you more. Please like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more lessons, and tell us in the comments where you want to order food next.
Keep learning, keep listening, keep growing. See you next time.